Alright, here's the deal. I know you've seen those movies where hackers go crazy, typing a million lines of code to break into devices. But what if I told you ethical hackers can monitor devices without installing a single piece of software? Yeah, it's real, and today I'll show you the secrets behind no install device monitoring. First things first, always get permission. Monitoring without consent is totally illegal. I'm talking about ethical hacking here, so stay on the right side of the law. Let's start with network analysis. Imagine every device on a Wi-Fi network is constantly chatting, sending little packets of data back and forth. As an ethical hacker, I can use specialized tools, like Wireshark or Fing, on my own device to watch this network traffic. No installs needed on the target device. I just connect to the same network, and instantly, I see who's online, what devices are talking, sometimes even what websites they're visiting. Next up, router logs. Most home and office routers keep a detailed log of every connection. With access to the router, I can peek into these logs to see which devices are doing what and when. No need to touch the target device or install anything. It's all in the router's memory. Now let's talk about open ports and services. With permission, I can scan a device from the outside using tools like Nmap. This tells me which services or apps are running just by knocking on digital doors and seeing who answers. It's a bit like checking which lights are on in a house without ever stepping inside. And don't forget cloud accounts. Most devices sync data to the cloud. Think Google, Apple, or Microsoft accounts. If I've got access to those accounts, I can see device locations, login history, and sometimes even messages, all without ever touching the actual device. So, to recap, ethical hackers monitor devices through network analysis, router logs, open port scans, and cloud accounts, all without installing any software on the target device. Remember, permission is everything. Need more help or want to talk to a pro? Check the pinned comment and video description for links and support from verified professionals. If you learned something new, smash that like button, share with your mates, and subscribe for more tech tips and secrets. Got questions or want a deep dive? Drop a comment below and stay tuned for the next video. Catch you next time, legends.